Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've come with a new video that is really very interesting and very useful to you. I hope you are doing great and learning English language in a great way. I'm also learning English language in a great way. And you know that in this video I'm just going to share my recent experience of English language that is really going to very helpful to you. By sharing this kind of things you would able to learn some other way how to learn English language in some other different way. Definitely like we could say that all the people they are practicing English language, all the people they are making a lots of efforts to know English language, to learn English language and to speak English language in a better way. And definitely all the people, if they have the dream to learn English language in a better way, then they just think that what the tips that I should follow through which I'm able to speak well English language and could speak a great English like a foreigner speakers. These kind of things they just think if they have started their journey of the English language. At the time they just think this kind of things. But what do you think that if the people they don't like see their improvement, they don't get any improvement of learning English language, and what do you think about that? Definitely if the peoples they just see their own improvement, they just see their own result of their improvement, then definitely they get very excited that I am able to learn English language in a great way. In a like in a learning phase they just improve themselves, so they get excited. But if the peoples they like most of the people they don't get their improvement, they don't get the result how to learn English language and how to speak English language in a better way. So at the time the people they get nervous and they just demotivate at the time and they just left to learn English language. Similarly it has happened with me. Do you know that I'm not able to speak fluently? I'm not able to speak English language fluently and confidently that much. Like one who speak like the foreigner speakers, one who speak like the native speaker, I'm not able to speak that kind of things. And you know that I'm practicing since a long time and I need a improvement in myself that I can speak English language in a better way. I should speak English language in a great way. So if I will not see my improvement in myself, if I would not able to recognize my improvement of learning English language, then it's really very embarrassing for all the peoples, and for me also it's really very nervousness. Like if I am not able to improve myself for learning English language, then what do you think that the reason behind it? That for doing something new, if you start to do something new, at the time a lots of difficulties come. We know that after a long of difficulties, after facing a lots of difficulty, after sacrificing a lots of difficulties, we are able to achieve that improvement in ourselves. So for learning English language also we need to be do a lots of things. We need to have to be sacrifice a lot, then we could speak a well English language. I'm also sacrificing since 2 years, but even though I'm not able to speak fluently English language and confidently English language, do you know what is the reason behind it? Yeah, definitely I found the reason. You know that if you are able to not if you're stuck in somewhere, like if you are if you are having some problem, then just try to find the solution of that, what the things that I should do so that I could get the solutions. So that's why I've also get the solution that why I'm not able to speak fluently English language and confidently English language in front of the people. The reason is that I'm just giving less time in speaking English language. Do you know how? If you are just at home or anywhere you are at homes, so we could say that much time you give in your native language. Like if you speak Hindi language, then all the times whatever you do from morning to till night, at a time you speak with your families, with your brothers, with your siblings, all you speaks in your native language. All you speak and convey their message in native language like Hindi language, and you just give a less time in speaking English language. You just give few hours, few minutes in speaking English language and practicing English language. So do you think that you will gonna get any improvement for learning English language? Then definitely we could say that if we are giving much time in our native language, then we are confident and fluent in that. Definitely similarly like that, English is a language. If we will give a lots of time if we will have the better if we will have the better time management of speaking English language, of learning English language, then only we would able to get an improvement of learning English language. That's why the reason I have found that why I'm not able to speak English language confidently, why I am not fluent in speaking English language, is that I should have to give a lots of time in speaking English language. I should have to practice a lot. Do you know why? Because if we will have the command on our English language, then definitely we could able to speak fluent English language without any hesitations, with a confident. So definitely, like, whatever you do in your homes from since morning to till night, whatever you do, you have to convey your message in English language only. If the other people, they are not able to understand, then definitely after speaking English language, just translate into Hindi or your native language, so that the other people, they could able to understand that things. But you should have to convey all the message in English. Just do it for 1 to 2 weeks, then definitely you would able to find a good result in yourself. The things that I was doing was that I was not able to speak well English language, and I was not giving that much of the time to speak English language at my home. Yeah, definitely I was practicing English language with my brothers, but I was not giving that much of the time. I was giving the less time in speaking English language and practicing English language. That's why I was not able to improve. So why I'm just making these videos in front of you is that you should able to learn the things, that what the mistake I am doing and what the correction you should also do. You should not have to repeat my mistakes, so that you could not able to speak well English language. Definitely I'm just making this video so that you could get the help from me after watching this video, that what the things that we should do for learning English language, and what are the things that we should not do for learning. That's why the things that I would like to suggest to you is that whatever the things that you do from morning to till night, you should have to convey all the message in English. Then definitely you could see a good improvement in yourself. And this task is really very hard to do with the people. And definitely if you will if you really want to improve your communication skills like the native speaker, like the foreigner speaker, then definitely you have to do a lots of hard work. And for that, the things that I'm just suggesting to you, you should have to follow that kind of things. And in today's video, I'm just shared my experience, my recent experience of learning English language and practicing English language. And you know that I have found the solution of this problem. But from today's, I will follow this kind of tips. Like from today, I will start to speak in English language at my homes with all the people, so that I could improve my communication skills, and they could also able to convey the message in English after listening in English. So that's why it's essential to you to start to speak with a new journey, with a new startup. So it's essential to you to follow these kind of things, then definitely you could able to speak well English language. So thank you guys, I will meet in the next video.